mi amico e rompi il mio famiglia. Oh, Frank. Did you see what police people do in my house? Did you see what police people do in my house? Did you see what police people do in my house? Oh, Frank, non tocca mia moglie, se tu tocca mia moglie fa casino con me. Io mi faccio sì, what police do in my house? This is the solution. The solution is the best. Give me to see what police is doing in the house. Give me to see what police is doing. Guarda, cosa polizia? Guarda, che è successo?
Vieni questo lavoro tu. Stai a fare assistenza, sta facendo un po'.
Cosa poi?
Siamo troppo buoni.
Did you see what police is doing?
Smettila di...
No, io non spingi là. Vattene! Only I go enjoy you.
You don't do now. Please. You don't do.
Give me to see what police is doing in my house. I go enjoy you, the man. Get that. Give me to see what police people is doing in my house. So this is what police people do in my house. This is what police people is doing in my house. So you see it. You people see it. Oh, you see people should see what police is doing in my house. I don't know. We are not druggers. We are not anything. Oh, they came to my house. I video now. I video right there live. They came to my house. They started robbery. Oh, they started beating my friend. You people should see Quanti Martina. They came to my house. They started robbery. Oh, they arrested my friend. You people should see. You people should see. You people should share this video. They want to kill they want to kill us in L'Aquila. We don't know what to do today. The people they are arresting, they say that they are Italian flood. Those people they don't know anything. Oh. Those people don't know anything. Italian police is lying. L'Aquila police is lying. They want to kill us. We don't know what we did to them. Oh. They are you to are you to tutti? Oh. Monacosi, oh. Italian police. What did they do us? We don't know. Oh. Monasi, oh. Monasi. This is what they are doing now, so we don't know what you did to Italian police, so they want to kill us, so yes, they want to kill us, so they say we are computer fraud. We don't know anything about computer, oh. We don't know anything about fraud, oh. We are just the ones suffering ourselves, managing, oh. They want to kill us. You people should come, oh. You people should come and see. You people should see, oh. They came to my house this morning. They beat my brother up. They beat me up. They started fighting us. They are telling us to come to Questora. We don't know what to do to Italian police people. You people should help, oh. Italian, oh. Italian. If you're not in Nero again, more than talk. Italian, no for Nero. They be spiegare. Io non sono bugiato. Io non so cosa devi fare. Io non sono droga. Io non so cosa vuoi. Guarda. Guarda tutti, guarda. But they sit there. Police people, this early money to my house.
They don't carry and go, you don't do.
This early money, oh, they carry my friend. They beat him up, they fight him. We don't know what they want, oh. We don't know what Italian police people want. I don't know. We don't know what the Italian police want, oh. Io non lo so cosa ha bisogno la Italian police di Italia. Sempre rompere a casa mia. Io non sono giocato. Io non conosco gente. You people should see.
Another thing for years.
I know that our video. I got everything for video. You people can see there. They don't beat my guy finish. They don't hire for grand. They pour a cup for here. They carry a command. We don't know what Italian police they find for our house. We don't know what they find for our house. They will carry camera go they lie. They will carry camera go people house go they lie. They don't say the people are fraud. Maybe the people don't even know anything. The people don't know why, they don't know too. So, Italian police, they'll carry camera call, they'll call they lie. They'll lie the people that drug addicts. They'll lie the people that computer fraud. People won't even know where to lead them for phone. Talk less of laptop. Person will not even get laptop for us. They'll call, they'll begin a lie. I mean, they talk solution. Mona see. Italian police, oh. We don't know what we do there. Yes, so we don't know what we do Italian police. Yes, so this is what they do every time. Last time they lie against some people in L'Aquila. They say the people are computer fraud. They are not computer fraud though. The people don't know anything. The people Italian police arresting. They don't know anything. They came to my house this morning to come and beat my friend. They beat him. They beat me. They carry her come out. Mona see, oh. Mona see. Yes, so Italian police. We don't know what we do there. We don't know what we do Italian police. We don't know what we do Italian police. Everything they say about L'Aquila is a lie. Everything they say about L'Aquila is a lie. Now me they talk solution. I they talk at this money. Everything with Italian police they say about L'Aquila is a lie. People who do L'Aquila, now so sure that they do. They don't get work. Few way get work. They don't let the work. That's why they do sort for money tonight. Monday to Saturday. Oh, next month tonight they make they go show on Sunday. They put up a motor. They send a computer flood. They don't see anything for inside a room. They don't see anything for inside a room. Oh, they come. Then they arrest us. They say Ben a computer fraud. Ben. When everyone delete your laptop. Person when don't know where delete dey for laptop. You don't know delete for laptop. That boy don't know delete for laptop. Now me they talk this morning. Italian police came to my house. They disturb us. They yeah. Because they will be black. All the lie where they don't lie for L'Aquila. Where Coco News carry. Now lie. They don't do anything.
He wants to hear many of them. They can't go and call the family say, there are many come. Like you go push and then you want to push to come out. Maybe because you want to shoot me. Maybe for the year and say you shoot me.
They want to shoot my brother this morning. They want to kill us. They can't go our house. They threaten us. Who here now go to say L'Aquila na work bad city? See the L'Aquila not evil day. Now poor city, the poorest city in the whole Italy. See, na so rock, so bush. Everywhere na use 0 over 100. Yeah. They will come. They will come and disturb people when they L'Aquila. It doesn't say they wear fine clothes. It doesn't say you don't feel the gauge. You don't feel the fine. They go owe you. They'll say it's computer fraud or it's a drug. That is what the L'Aquila police is doing. L'Aquila police is fraud. L'Aquila police is corrupt.
Only God know whether they call the follow and they drag for them.